9:15 a.m. market open. It's a positive start. Previous day buy call followed up to today 9:50 a.m. After 9:50 sell call generated, red color candle open. Like this, whenever market trend changes, you will receive calls like a signal in this chart. Today sell call generated at 45,685 and first target is more than a 100-point target, second target is more than a 200-point target. Daily we are analyzing how calls are generating and how it performing in live market. Today call came at first fresh call sell call came at 45,685 at 9:50 a.m. It's a Tuesday market, okay, and market continuous bearish momentum. It started to break out 45,600 range in just 2 minutes of candle. Already 80-point momentum breakout and continuous bearish momentum in just 2 candle. It break out first target range also. Like this, today call generated and achieved more than a 100-point target in 2 minutes of trading. 45,500 put option chart at 142 buy call started and market breakout all the way to the 210, more than a 60-point momentum. If you want to subscribe for this chart, if you want this chart, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. We will provide you the plan detail. If you feel like it, you can subscribe for it. Thank you.